Hello everyone. In my previous video, I told you about the introduction of the subject verb. Concord means subject verb agreement. So student, in this video, I am telling you some rules related to this topic. So rule first is, if two subjects are joined by and, we have to use here plural verb. Remember it, if two subjects are joined by and. For example, you and I. These two subjects are joined by and, so verb we have to use here plural verb, means are colleagues. You and I are colleagues. Next example is, he and his father have arrived. He first subject, his father second subject, and these two subjects are joined by and, that's why we have to use here plural verb, means have. So he and his father have arrived. Next rule second, if two subjects express one idea, singular verb we have to use here. If two subjects express one idea, singular verb is used. For example, bread and butter, bread and butter. This is two subjects and these express one idea, that's why we have to use here singular form of the verb, means makes. So bread and butter makes a good breakfast. Next example is, slow and steady wins the race. Slow first subject, steady second subject, and two subjects are joined by and express one idea, that's why we have to use here singular form of the verb, means wins. Next rule third, if two singular nouns joined by and refer to same person or thing, the verb must be singular. If two singular nouns joined by and refer to same person or thing, the verb must be used singular. For example, my friend and guide has arrived, means first subject is my friend, second is guide, and these two subjects are joined by and refer to the same person, that's why we have to use here singular form of the verb, means has. Next, the principal and secretary. First subject the principal, second is secretary, and here two subjects are joined by and refer to same person, means जो principal है वो ही क्या है, secretary है. If यदि मैं the principal and the secretary करूँ तो it means जो principal है वो अलग person है और जो secretary है वो अलग है, बट यहाँ पर जो the है वो principal से पहले है, it means principal और secretary दोनों same person है. That's why we have to use here the principal and secretary is visiting the class. You got it, students? Now keep remember these things. If two nouns denote one person, the article the is used with first noun. Here we have to use same thing. If two nouns denote one person, the article the is used with first noun. If two nouns are used for two different persons, यदि दो nouns रेफर कर रही हैं टू डिफरेंट persons को, the article the will be used with both nouns. यदि ये दोनों व्यक्ति अलग अलग हैं, here are two different persons, when we have to use the article with both subjects. Article the will be used with both nouns. For example, the principal and the secretary. अब इस सेंटेंस में जो प्रिंसिपल है वो अलग पर्सन है और जो सेक्रेटरी है वो अलग है. देन वी हैव टू यूज हेयर प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, मीन्स आर विल बी यूज हेयर विजिटिंग द क्लास. Next rule is, if two subjects are joined by as well as or with, the verb follows the according to the first subject. If the two subjects are joined by as well as or with, the verb follows with according to the first subject. For example, they as well as he are at fault. They as well as he are at fault means they first subject, he second subject, and both subjects are joined by as well as, then the verb will be used according to the first subject, means verb here use according to the they. So the verb we have to use here are. Next example is, I as well as you. First subject I, second you. Both are connected with as well as. So the verb will be used according to the first person, first subject. So first subject is I. So we have to use here verb am, interested in his work. Next rule, if two or more singular subjects are joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor, a singular verb is used. If two or more singular subjects are joined by or, nor, either or, neither nor, a singular verb is used. For example, either you or he has broken the window. Either you and second subject he, both are joined by either or, then the verb will be used here singular. Either you or he has broken the window. Next, neither he nor I. Neither he nor I am at fault. We have to use here singular subject. Now remember these things that, but when two or more subjects are connected by either or, neither nor, not only but also the verb agrees to the subject nearer to it. Remember this thing, but when two or more subjects, not singular subjects, both singular and we can say plural subjects are connected by either or, neither nor, not only but also the verb agrees to the subject nearer to it. We have to use here the verb which is nearer to the subject. For example, either he or his friends. either he or his friends. Then the nearer subject is his friends, so we have to use here are. Neither he nor his friends, nearer subject is his friends, then we have to use here are. Either he or you are a fool. Next rule is if, each, every, either of, neither of, each of, many a. These words take a singular word. For example, each of the boys. Each of the boys is given a prize. We have to use here singular verb. Either of the two boys is in the wrong. So students, I hope you must have understood some rules related to the subject verb agreement. So in my next video I will be telling you remaining rules of the subject verb agreement. So watch and understand this video very carefully and make proper notes in your notebook. Thank you so much.